Michi ni Mayon get lost. I get lost. Michi ni Mayu. Jimoto no hito local people. I ask local people. Jimoto no hito ni kikimasu. Anai shite korego guide me. They guide me. Anai shite koremasu. Michi anai directions. I need directions. Michi anai ga hitsuyo desu. Jimoto ryori local cuisine. I hit local cuisine. Jimoto ryori otabimasu. Meiten famous shop. I go to a famous shop. Meiten e ikimasu. Tabe aruki food trip. I do a food trip. Tabe aruki oshimasu. Gyoretsu line or queue. I wait in a line. Gyoretsu ni narabimasu. Ninki ten popular shop. It is a popular shop. Koko wa ninki ten desu. Yoyakusei reservation system. It is a reservation only. Yoyakusei desu. Shoken meal ticket. I buy a meal ticket. Shoken okaimasu. Sarufu sabiso self-service. It is a self-service. Sarufu sabiso desu. Chumon suru order. I order food. Ryori o chumon shimasu. Osusume recommendation. What is your recommendation? Osusumi wa nan desu ka?